I'm David from windowsdelivered.co.uk. I'm here to show you our new Anthracite PVC Sash window. If you'd like to have a look, this is how it opens. We've got the heritage catch here, and you just pull that open. It's also key locking, so you can lift that up, and when we do lift it up, it actually stops on these child restrictors here, the angel stops. We can disable those quite easily. We just push them in with a finger. They're held in by magnets, so quite easy to do. We then lift up the sash. We can open it to the full position, all the way up to here on these stops to prevent damage to the hinges. If we bring it down a little bit, I can also show you the easy clean feature. So we put it in on these two catches, and the window can tilt in towards you. So when it's installed in your house, you can easily get to clean it without climbing a ladder. The same happens with the top sash. I just pull that in as well. And that one can easily be cleaned as well. Just push that back up. Automatically these clip back in, but do make sure that they are fully in so they don't fall back. We lift that back up. Same for the bottom sash, just make sure they are back in. Then if we come back down and back up, you can see that the child restrictors have automatically come back out, so you don't have to remember to do that for the safety of your family. They come back down and then you can lock the window. All done. So thank you very much. David from Windows Delivered.